Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the gift center, the gift zone. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make to review videos. Yeah, this is part 1 of this whole video. I will have part 2 of this later today or tomorrow morning. I'm not sure when I'm going to have that done, but I will have that done soon or tomorrow. Alright, so starting here, we got some sawhorses, really nice. You got a 20-piece ratcheting wrench set, $49.98. Really good value here, especially if you're a DIY. This will save you a lot of time if you're doing small projects around the house or around the car. You know, $9.98. This is a double-sided tape measure. You got the yellow and then you got the white on the back. So really nice features on this tape measure. And it does stay until you push the button and it just retracts. You got a speed release, $9.98. And then you got some shears, $9.98. So really nice speed release. It's pretty much like a fastback. It does have that the feature so you can cut like strings or wires. You got $7.98 for the nut drivers, folding. And then $9.98 for the bits, the ratcheting bits. So you guys see there. And obviously SIE and metric for each item. $4.98 for the lockback. That's the lockback right there. And then you got the precision screwdrivers on the back, or those. Really handy to have some precision screwdrivers. $4.98 for 2-piece mini pliers and 16-ounce fiberglass hammer. Those are the pliers, and the hammers, I guess, is already sold out. So, got some clamps there, $4.98, and a bottle opener. That 5-piece clamps. They are plastic with rubber handles. Same thing with this. Plastic with rubber. And then $4.98. For the air accessories, high flow fittings, quick connect blow gun, and digital tire gauge. $4.98 for the scissors and the multi-bit screwdriver thing. Some nice scissors. I bought them last year. Really nice, comfortable. Lux Pro 2D flashlight, $17.97. You got 455 lumen, and then you got the pretty much the flashlight there. $12.98 Command Nitro Night Eye. So that's black with green green letters or green numbers. Lufkin by Crescent. Got $69.98 4.5 compact circular saw, and the blade $13.98. 24 tooth. $19.98 for the pair of clamps and $5.98 for the smaller clamp, which is sold out already. All we do have is the bigger pair. And then we got the Smart Clock Essentials, $24.99. Got the Spotlight here, Bionic Spotlight. It looks like a solar, $19.99. You got a guide here, a rough cut, a rip cut, circular saw, $34.98. You got some levels here, $14.98, $19.98. Two different types. Then you got some combination wrenches, $24.98. 30-piece with a nice case, as you guys see there. Got a 3-piece plier set, adjustable wrench, $12.98. So really nice to have added to your toolbox, your spare box. We got some Cobalt toolboxes or tool bags. Really nice with wheels and a handle, $69.98. It's actually a 3-bag combo. It does include some more bags inside. And these, I didn't have the price for these. I looked around and I didn't see a price for these, so those are the 20 piece. You got the Cobalt screwdrivers, 1998. It does include some precision screwdrivers in the center, if you guys see. You got the magnetic tray there. You got the 118 piece, 45.98. Then you got the 73 piece, 49.98 with the sleeve. 286 piece for 145. And then this is a great, really good deal. 199. The Cobalt 24 impact wrench, 24 volts, 106 piece. Got some pliers here for 1998. 1998 for 65 piece with the clear case. Really basic tools here. $12.98 for the groove joints, 3 piece. That's a good deal there. And then $8.98 for the 16 foot tape measure. $14.98. Those have the handle in the middle, so you can get the tool that you need and just put it in that handle, and that way you can have some more leverage. $12.98. Same as the ones we just saw there. Got a 100 lumen flashlight, 2 piece with batteries. $12.98. Like I said, I'm not really battery kind of guy. I like wireless, or not wireless, but I like to charge my batteries with the USB or something like that. I don't like buying batteries. $19.98 for that tool, the toy tool kit. $19.98 for the looks like nut drivers. You got SAE and metric. $129 for the 9,000 lumen work lights. That's a really bright light, according to what it says on the box. $5.98 for some gloves, Craftsman. They look like they're dipped in nitro or something like that. $14.98 for 25 foot 2-pack, Craftsman. Looks really nice with the black and red. Yeah, I haven't used these personally. They feel okay, but yeah, I like the white. Pretty bright, pretty easy to read. $9.98 for the 14 gold oxide with the clear case. I believe these cases are compatible with the DeWalt's. You can stack them up, I believe. $7.98, 7-inch. So you got $7.98 for any of these. Now you got some toy tool set, 16 piece boy or girl for $19.98. They look like real tools, by the way, just to let you know. $39.98 for a 61 piece chrome mechanics tool set. Looks like you just get one ratchet there and maybe a bit driver. You got some long sockets there on the back. $49.98, 63 piece with the Versus stack. So this one's just about this. It looks just about the same as the other one. Now this one you do get 2 different ratchets. $74.98. Maybe a little bit more bits. Maybe a little bit more sockets there. $24.98 for a 44 piece with the clear case. $159 for the 268 piece with some drawers. Same thing with this. $119 for a 215 piece with some drawers. You got drill driver or impact driver for $59. Then you got some hole saws, 29, looks like $29.98. $29.98 for the Craftsman Mini Real Retractable reel hose, 26 feet. $2.49 for the battery operated compressor from Craftsman. And then they got this one on sale, so $179. It does include a stapler, I believe, a pin nailer, and a brad. 355 lumens Coast light, $17.97. Same thing for the head-mounted headlamp, $17.97. And I believe these are rechargeable, so you can charge them USB. $29.97 for the 700 lumen. It is battery operated, so like I said, I don't really like the battery kind of flashlights. $19.98 for the work light. Looks like a really inexpensive light. Pretty nice light, especially for the price. 2,000 lumens. And then they got this one: buy a B20 cordless vacuum, stick vacuum, and get a free B20 battery. So that's the battery you get for $69.99. That's the price. That's the vacuum. If you buy that vacuum, $199, you get the free battery. So if you want to use it on the shop, or if you want to buy it for your wife, you guys are going to be in the same platform. Want to be on the same platform of battery platform. So you got some USB devices here, some chargers for cell phones. $29.98 for the Suspension NXT multi-tool and folding knife. Looks like they just have the folding knife. The multi-tool's gone already. Sold out. Then they have these. They do include a light. $19.28 as it says right there. You press the button and you get a light. So it's a really very convenient. They got different colors. Yeah, camel. Guess that's where the battery goes. It's kind of bulky there, but not too bad. $10.97 for a pocket LED light. Most of these are battery operated, I believe. And then they got this. This is like the sanitizer for the phone. $29.99. And then $9.98. They got the, looks like a, or $24.98 for that thermometer. The toolbox $34.98. Yeah, it looks like the inflator, the one before that. So got an organizer for $19.98. And then the Versa Stack 3-piece for $79.98. You got a tote there for $39.98. That's a really good deal there for the Versa Stack, the 3-piece. 105-piece mechanics tool set, $79. Now you're getting a little bit more sockets on that one. Then you got the Razer for $129. They're on clearance. The Razer Scooter for the kids with the Cobalt 24-volt max batteries, so you guys could stay on the same platform. Same thing with these power wheels. $249. It was $299. So guys, that's it for today. I will be having a second part to this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that, either today or tomorrow. Like I said, I've been really busy with some remodels around the house. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. See you guys on the next one.